Some worrying developments coming in from West Africa. 5 Indian nationals have been kidnapped in Mali, a country who's battling rising extremist violence. Now, according to their company and security sources, these workers were taken by armed men near the town of Kobri in western Mali. They were part of an electrification project, and the company has now confirmed the abduction, saying that all other Indian staff have been moved to the capital for safety. Now, so far, no group has claimed responsibility for this abduction. But if you look at the history, Mali has been seeing a surge in attacks by armed groups which are linked to Al-Qaeda and the Islamic State. In fact, the country, which is ruled by a military junta, has struggled to control spreading insurgency and criminal activity. Fuel blockades, kidnappings, violence, they have deepened an already severe economic crisis facing the country. And in fact, recently, foreign nationals, including 2 Emiratis and an Iranian, they were also abducted near the capital city, and they were released only after a large ransom was reportedly paid. So clearly shocking and worrying developments coming in from Mali. 5 Indian nationals getting abducted. So far, no group has claimed responsibility. But of course, this is a region that has been witnessing violence by groups which are linked to Al-Qaeda as well as Islamic State. In fact, recently, other foreign nationals, including 2 Emiratis and an Iranian, they were also abducted near the capital city, and they were only released after a large ransom amount was paid. We'll have to see how the Indian government responds to this. Remember, these workers, they were part of an electrification project, and their company has now confirmed their abduction, saying that all the other Indian staff, they have been moved to safer locations to the capital. If you look at the history of this country, Mali has been seeing a surge in attacks by armed groups that are linked to Al-Qaeda and Islamic State. The country is currently ruled by a military junta